I'm Rob Buffington with Home Seekers in Berkshire Hathaway in East Lansing, Michigan. Today we're going to talk to you about how to sell a home fast in today's market. Obviously, in a more balanced market, I would come in and consult with our sellers and give them, you want to do all of these things, maybe spruce up curb appeal, maybe do some touch-up painting, some of these things, declutter, obviously deep cleaning, some of these things that we've talked to our consumers and our clients about over the years, the 50 years of combined experience that we have, how to prepare a home to go to the market. But in this market, to sell a house fast, you really just need to present well. So bring it to the market, have great curb appeal, maybe do some of those necessary repairs before you bring it to the market. But ultimately, I'm selling properties at a record speed for a record price that really shouldn't be selling for those prices. Some of these these homes that we're bringing to the market, they're not in the condition that we would expect or that we would counsel our clients on bringing them to the market in a certain condition. We're really foregoing some of the touch-up painting. We're foregoing some of the sprucing of the landscaping because the market is moving so quickly in Lansing, Michigan. We can overlook some of those items because buyers are overlooking them. They're so antsy to get into properties in May of 2023 that they're just stepping over each other and very competitively driving prices up. Think about that. There's obviously things that we want to help you and guide you along the process through in preparing your home to sell to maximize the equity in the home. And that's just normal, things that you're going to do anyway. Maybe declutter, deep clean, and then spruce up the curb appeal to drive people into the home. Obviously, we do professional photography. That's going to drive up the price and get your home sold quickly. So think about those things. And when you're ready to sell, reach out to Home Seekers. We're happy to help.